welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and today's video is going to be a master bathroom clean with me. My last video was my master bedroom clean with me, and all of this was done on the same day. I just decided to split it up for editing. It was just going to be a lot easier to edit. So I'm just gathering all the toys up right now. My boys take a bath in here every night, and I need to deep clean the jets. So I'm just going to rinse it out real quick before I put the jet cleaner in. And then the jet cleaner will run for 15 minutes. It's called Awesome. And it is the consistency of like gel. It's like a gel consistency. So I'm just going to put half a teaspoon of that into my tub, and I will run the jets for 15 minutes. Once they are finished, it is going to be disgusting, and then we're going to clean it.
I will get up again, stronger than I have been.
Okay, so while my tub is bubbling, I'm going to clean up a little bit inside of my shower and just put some of these items away in the shower caddy. I'm going to show you this soap, the shampoo I've been using from the Dollar Tree. If you've seen it, it's the Bolero, and it actually works pretty well. I have to use a little more of it than I normally would for it to lather like I like, but it is pretty nice for $1. So I'm going to just wipe down the outside of my shower. If you've seen any of my other Clean With Me Master bathroom videos, I've explained I've started cleaning my shower on the inside while I'm showering, and it just saves so much time. You don't have to worry about splashing yourself or getting wet, because obviously you're already wet. And so that's what I'll be doing tonight. Note to self, next time I do this, I need to clean the inside of my shower before I film, so that way it's nice and clean for you guys all around, not the other way. Anyways, yes, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now over here to my sink area, I just need to get some of these little items off of my little turntable here, get them wiped down, take some items that don't belong on there off, and just organize it nicely. And then I'm just going to spray everything down with my spray. I mispronounced it in my last video. I believe it's called Drea, is how you say it. I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, it's still, smells wonderful. I love it. So that's what I'm just going to do over here, get this whole area nice and clean. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes now, and just look at this grossness. Like, oh my god, it is gross. Like, I don't even know what to say. I mean, my boys, they take a bath in this bath every night just because it's so much easier to put all three of them in the big one. This is just a lot of body oil, dirt, grime, all sorts of grossness that gets bubbled out of the jet using this awesome jet cleaner. So I'm going to drain it, going to scrub it, and then once I'm done scrubbing it, I'll get in and really scrub it and then I'm also going to have to refill it, and then you let the jets run for another like 5 or so minutes to kind of flush them out, and then you drain it again and it'll be all nice and finished. I said in another video that I've been using this Dawn Power Wash in my bathroom, and I just love it in the bathroom. I keep a bottle up here and a bottle downstairs under my sink for, you know, dishes and things. But it works so well in the tubs, in the sinks, in the shower. That's what I use to clean my shower now. And oh, if you haven't tried this Dawn Power Wash, you know, you really should. I think I was super late to the game, as I usually am with all these cleaning products, and I wish I would have tried it sooner because it's a game changer. It really is. I love it. Into the bathroom here where the toilet is, and I'm just going to give it just the normal clean down before I move on to cleaning the floors. So today I'm going to get down on my hands and knees and clean my floors using this Fabuloso antibacterial. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I had never seen antibacterial Fabuloso before, so I was kind of excited to see this. And I'm just going to get down and do this quickly so that way I know everything is nice and clean, and I can get into all the corners too, and also so I can get the baseboards. So I just really wanted to get this whole area nice and clean, and that's what I'm going to be doing.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I keep on pouring salt on my wounds when I shouldn't stay. I feel the pressure
Okay, so we are all finished now. Nice, clean bathroom. I did not get to my husband's sink area. He had a lot of items from work over there that I just didn't want to go through without him. Um, that's okay, I can get that done later. The outside of the shower is nice and clean. The toilet area is nice and clean. Floor's nice and clean. Everything is just wonderful. This was the same day that I did my master bedroom deep clean. So we'll just say hi to Honey Bear again. There she is, the princess. Oh, she's so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.